In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft Office. First, open any Microsoft Office app, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You will see the familiar interface of the application you chose. This could be a blank document in Word, an empty spreadsheet in Excel, or a new presentation in PowerPoint. Opening one of these applications is the gateway to ensuring your software is up to date. Keeping your Office applications updated is crucial. It enhances performance, adds new features, and fixes bugs. So take a moment to choose your preferred app. You can do this at any time that is convenient for you. Next, click on File at the top left of your screen. This action opens a menu with several options related to your document. You'll see choices such as New, Open, Save, and more. From this menu, look for Account or Office Account. If you are using an older version, it might just say Account. This step is essential because this section contains vital information about your Office subscription and update settings. Once you click it, you will be directed to a new screen. This screen will provide you with important details about your Office software and its current status. Now, under Product Information, you will see a section labeled Update Options. This is where you can manage how your Office applications receive updates. Click on Update Options to expand the options available to you. You might see a few choices, including Disable Updates or Enable Updates. Selecting this option allows you to control how frequently you want to check for updates. This is important because regular updates help protect your system from vulnerabilities and enhance its functionality. After clicking Update Options, the menu will provide you with the next steps to follow. Next up, click on Update Now. This action initiates the process of checking for any available updates for your Office applications. You will see a progress indicator as Office connects to the update servers. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of the updates. Patience is key here. Once the updates are found, they will begin downloading and installing automatically. This ensures that your applications are equipped with the latest features and improvements. Remember, keeping your software updated not only enhances your experience, but also keeps your data safe. Finally, wait while Office checks for and installs any available updates. During this time, you may see a notification indicating the progress of the installation. It's essential to let this process complete without interruption to ensure everything installs correctly. Once finished, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your applications are now up to date. This confirmation is reassuring, as it means you are now using the latest version of your Office applications. Congratulations on taking this important step to enhance your productivity and security. By following these steps, you ensure that your Microsoft Office applications run smoothly and efficiently. Regular updates can significantly improve your user experience and provide access to new features. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.